everybody, I am Matt Torres, and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars and sneakers. And today, we're finally gonna put a passenger seat in the S13. First things first, we gotta once again relocate the battery and put it behind where the passenger seat is gonna go. So Leone is just plopping that right into place. Looks good. Leone took precise measurements before he did this.
Damn, I don't remember that. Like, look at that.
Alright.
Size.
Somehow he took a guess and it worked.
I'm Asian. Watch, I bet I drilled into like the oil pan or something. Check if anything's leaking under the car.
I will. Well, there's a lot of things leaking underneath the car, but it's just the car. Alright, now that we got the battery relocated, now it's time to start drilling in where the seat's supposed to be.
Okay.
Yeah, we had to put in a new seat mount because the old one kind of rusted out. So now we gotta drill new holes, and hopefully we get this time right. Alright, if you guys don't know what seat we're putting in the car,
Fuck!
it's the OEM S13 seat, because that was the cheapest one we could find. Alright, now we're just making sure that the bolts that we bought actually fit the car seat. Is it screwing in?
I think.
You think?
Either that or it's just spinning. I'll let you know in like a minute.
That's why we got the nuts. Alright, looks like the bolts fit in, so we're not stupid. Alright, now we got the seat in place. Now we just gotta bolt her down.
I'm hungry.
You wanna get McDonald's after this?
Probably.
Will we get to see Leone's ass crack today?
Oh, I dropped the bolt.
How many idiots does it take to put an OEM S13 seat in? Okay. I can't see if it's on the thingy. See, I can kind of see from this angle.
Oh, really?
Oh, hold on. Wait, I can actually use the camera.
I did it, bitch.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
Okay.
I got
Alright. Now we finally got it aligned. Now we just gotta start bolting shit in. Alright. Bolting her down. She still fits, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I forgot the washer.
Oh. Yeah, that's kind of important. I'm telling you, Leone, we could use Scotch tape. It would have bolted this thing down real tight.
Oh, yeah, totally.
So, Leone, do you still want to go to the gym after?
No. Didn't want to go to the gym in the first place. Fuck.
Should be getting all your workout right here. Update, Leone's still trying to screw in that bolt.
It's almost there.
How much longer?
Like half a mil.
That sounds like the amount of money we're gonna need to fix this car. He's upgraded more leverage. Row! 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 Leone, there's something right with the seat.
Oh, what could it be?
It's a little slanted. I think we made the new bracket a little too tall. Oh shit.
Where's your phone?
Alright, I am now sitting down in the chair. You don't really notice it's slanting when you're in the chair.
Hold on.
But we gotta do it the way down the seat so we can get the other bolt in.
You have to sit closer to the front.
Really?
Yeah, I can't get. Just lean, like scoot forward.
Alright, you got it now, damn it. Alright, screwing in the bolt.
I don't think it's screwing in.
You don't, what?
Oh no, it's screwed in.
Okay, thank God.
Definitely cross-threaded though.
Oh my God. Alright.
Came undone.
God damn it. It's came undone like 6 times now. Alright, attempt number 8.
Came undone.
Dang it! Alright. Put the light back on. Alright, there we go. You're annoying! Put the light back on! Alright. See, this is how you screw it in. Yeah. Alright, looks like it's bolted on pretty damn
Why
tight
does the
now.
driver's seat move more than this seat?
There's less bolts in that one.
There's 2 and 2.
I don't... physics. Alright, now we're tightening down the last bolt, and this thing should really be in now. so nice that the stock S13 seats already come with like holes for like racing harnesses, so we can just buy another harness and mount it in there. Already got a couple already ordered, so when that comes in the mail, I'll be making a video installing those too. Alright, I just got this. Alright, now that the second seat is installed, I'm probably just gonna hop in, go for a little ride on. There isn't any seatbelts, so I'm just gonna have to hold on for dear life, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, first ride along in the S13. This is the first time two people have been in this car for probably years. And I gotta tell you, it's a lot of fun. Yeah. Oh, this is awesome. Such a fun car. Oh shit. How do you feel now?
Hungry still.
This was just awesome. I'm cold. Alright. And that about wraps up this video. Once again, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and share for that YouTube algorithm. And last, but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. You have fun?
Yeah.
You wanna get food now?
Yeah.
McDonald's?
Maybe. I don't know.
Taco Bell?
I was thinking Taco Bell.
Oh.